Welcome, my friends, and welcome back to Super English Method. I'm so happy you are here today. Today, we will practice the shadowing method once again. Do you want to improve your English in a natural and fun way? Then practice this conversation using the shadowing method. How does it work? It's easy. Listen, repeat, and match the rhythm of the speakers. You can pause the video after each line or try to repeat along in real time. Today, we present a realistic conversation between a taxi driver and a passenger who just landed at the Las Vegas airport. Pay attention to pronunciation, tone, and useful expressions. All right, let's get into the dialogue.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Las Vegas. Do you need a ride?
Yes, please. I just landed. Can you take me to the Bellagio Hotel?
Absolutely. Great choice. Bellagio is right on the strip. Do you have any luggage?
Just this suitcase and my backpack.
All right, I'll take care of it. Hop in. The AC is already on. It's a scorcher today.
Thanks. Yeah, I can already feel the desert heat.
Is this your first time in Vegas?
Yes, it is. I'm here for a tech conference at the convention center, but I'm hoping to explore the city a bit. And maybe try my luck in the casinos.
That's what Vegas is all about, mixing business with pleasure. The Bellagio is one of the top places to stay. The fountain shows out front are spectacular, especially at night.
I saw them online. They looked amazing. I can't wait to see them in person.
You're gonna love it. And if you have a free evening, check out Fremont Street, live music, neon lights, zip lines, and a ton of energy. Classic Vegas vibe.
That sounds cool. Any good places to eat you'd recommend?
If you want something upscale, try Lago. It has great Italian food and views of the fountains. But if you want something more casual and local, there's a taco place downtown called El Gordo. It's a favorite among locals.
Nice. I'll try to fit that in. I'm here for 4 days, enough time for work and fun.
Perfect balance. And if you need a ride back to the airport or want a quick tour around the strip, here's my card.
Thanks a lot. I appreciate it.
We're almost there. Would you like to be dropped off at the main entrance?
Yes, please. That would be perfect.
Here we are. That'll be $32.50.
Here's $40. Keep the change. Thanks for the ride and all the tips.
Thank you. Enjoy your stay, and good luck if you try the slots. Just remember, always bet on red.
I'll keep that in mind. Have a great day.